on.
I got that idea.
Yeah.
Are you going to put new wheels on your F-15?
I actually kind of like them as they are. I'll just let them wear out.
Have you ever had any wheels that were coming out?
Yeah, I have. I've changed them on a few. But the F-18 I've had for going on 3 years.
What about your F-5? Have you ever changed them?
Yeah, I've changed them 3 times on that. Being on asphalt and pavement wears them out. Alright, so yeah, I can be very picky with the timer on this one just because of the battery. I didn't check the battery last time. So let's take off and see. Alright, we're ready. No. It's better. Looks better to me. What do you think?
I think it looks amazing.
I think we need to cut the throw down though. I think it's too much.
Can you do that?
I'll do that in I'll do that in the yeah, it's too much throw. We'll cut that down.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of
That's too much right now. Oh, we didn't do the mix either. Oh, flaps are down. Yeah. That's what's wrong. Never mind. Didn't need anything. This is up, right?
Yeah, that's wrong.
Okay, there. That's what's wrong. So, yeah, way too much throw. It looks better to me. Barely moving. It looks better. Does that look better to you? I just need to cut the throws down, and then it'll be good. Yeah, that's good. So, yeah, that looks way better. No more rocking.
But the gyro helps that out, right?
Yeah, a lot. All right, let's do a fast downwind.
Do you have the same clothes?
Mostly. It's pretty quick.
Do you like it?
It's not bad for stock.
It's a new pattern.
I'll be nice to it.
So this is the high performance.
Yeah. I think it needs a little bit more.
Is yours fast?
Yeah, mine's real. Well, you've seen mine. You know how fast it is.
Yeah.
Let's put a little bit more. I think I need a little bit more rudder.
How's the rudder doing? Dad, here's a high-speed pass. You know how he is. He works so slow.
Yeah, he's talking to the people.
So are these things still in service?
Yeah.
Really? They're not fighting in Iraq or anything like that?
They're all over. They have them in Fresno.
And they have a lot in Las Vegas.
Yeah, at Nellis. That's the.
Have you been there?
Yeah.
We've been there too.
I went there in 2016. What's the timer at?
15 seconds. So when you're coming to make your gear pass, you want to put your gear down there?
What we should be doing is 30 seconds gear down.
Oh my god, that was a beautiful.
There's no flaps.
No flaps.
I just wanted to come in because I don't want to overstress that battery.
Oh my god, that sounds so much like Stringer. Oh, I just ran into the fence. Poor dog. So do you have any animals at your house?
I have a cat.
What's his name?
She's Izzy.
Easy.
So let's see. What do I need more of? I think that's good.
Looks pretty good. What do you think?
I think it's alright. He's on the phone.
I want to do a dust flight.
Alright, so
Okay.
let's cut the throws. They're way too high, and then I need to add a mix.
What kind of mix? Like elevator flat mix or what?
Elevator to, yeah, let's get it a little more. That's it. I think 75% is good. And then back. Go to mixing. Put an aileron. Did he hit the thing?
No, the ball went inside the thing. Are you flying next weekend?
I think so. If I do, it's going to be Sunday. Depends on the weather.
That looks good.
I think that's it. Now the thing to remember is this plane cannot land with no throttle.
So it's like the F-16 where you have to guide it in with throttle, right?
Right, but you don't want the nose to be up on this one. You just want it to be flat.
You want it to drop down, right?
Right, but then as it's starting to slow down, you add throttle just to make it level out. Usually just before it gets to the ground, I give